Hey babies, how's my kids? You guys having fun? There's Jet. Jet. Hi buddy. No. There goes a bobtail. I don't know. I've lost count. He's trying to get that bobtail in the photo. It's not cooperating very much. Try to hold this still. Let's get out here and get these guys. My beautiful wife and my beautiful cats.
Well, that better not end up on the internet.
Oh, it's going straight on Twitter.
Better not be with me.
You're going to be famous.
I better not. You'll be in deep poo.
How many we got out here?
Oh, we get my bags of dirt and mulch. That bag of dirt and put it in the trash can.
Yeah.
And the mulch, put in the other can. We'll get a bag to put in there.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's in the habitats. And 7, 8, 9, 10. If we count the ones that are laying out here right now. Let's go over here and see if we got anybody else hiding. There's nobody down in there that I see. Nope. Hi, gorgeous. How are you? Huh? You gonna smile for us? Yeah. You're so beautiful. Look at you. Show us your tufts. Show us your tufts. Come on. There you go. Hey, Emma. This is Tag. And this is Emma. Tagatha. She's beautiful. Got the most gorgeous tufts. And I'm not sure which one that is. I think that's Bob. And I think that one down there is Buttercup. Another one with gorgeous tufts. All these guys are in and out. There's no prisoners. They have free reign, actually. They can get in and out. When they feel threatened, they come in and they get inside of the habitat. This little guy here, the little bobtail, taught them all how to get inside. He's not that old either. Smart as the dickens, though. Can't keep him out of anything. Almost like having a coon. And we'll go on out and take a look back now. She thinks I was kidding about how she's going on Twitter. She really is. It's not like anybody watches these things anyway. Besides, you guys aren't gonna tell, are you? We got one. Who we got out here? That's Patchman. Looks like he's laying near. I'm not sure if that's Squeak. Could be Mini Boo. And then we got a regular Boo somewhere. I hear somebody up here. Who's that I hear? Is that LJ? Barely see you up there, baby. I guess nobody's gonna come out for us. So we'll just come down here and walk on out. Hi, babes. Hey, little one. What you doing? Come on, sweetie. Come on. There you go. Yeah, that's a wild one. See, that's not even a tame cat that you just saw doing that. That's one of the ferals. That black one. She's come in through, but there's an entrance inside the shop. And looks like I've only got 3 today. Sometimes I come out here and there's 4 or 5. They can get in under this door or through the back door back here. You may not be able to see this. Oh, there goes one. I couldn't even tell which one that was. There's a door for the cats right up by that chair. You see it's got a cat door there in the wall. See? Well, they can go in and out of there. And when they do, what they do is they go in there and they can get up through the inside of that area there, and they go back outside by crossing over into this other shop over here through the wall itself, and then they go right out through the inside up there. But that way they have access to get away from coyotes or predators or dump trucks and scaring them and stuff, you know. But they're not prisoners. But you'd be surprised how many of them come here just because they feel safe. They've got a place to get away and to relax where they don't have to be on guard. And I've seen cats that out here in the wild don't even really get along, but when they come in here into the habitat, it's like they drop all that. It's almost like they recognize it's a neutral zone, and they come in here and they just settle down when they're injured. And I've had them where I thought they were dead, and they show back up many months later with an injury, and then they stay long enough to get healed, and then they're gone again. They've got us down. They've told all their friends, just act like you know them. They'll take you right in. Yeah. Looks like we got more out here now. What'd you say?
They're steep.
Uh-huh, that's funny. Drinking my coffee out here in the morning is one of my favorite things. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little video and that I didn't jerk this thing around too much. Alright, don't disappoint me, make my wife famous, y'all. Oh, this is the cat room also. I guess I should show you this. There we go. This is the cat door down there where they come in. Goes right outside. And this is the back door. This is their cat room where they get to come in out of the cold down here at this end. But we didn't want them having access to the whole house, so we kind of made them their own habitat in the house itself. Anyway, enjoy. Thank you.